What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Smart Key remote fob. This Hyundai key fob is going to be for the Hyundai vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb is on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold the fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot that emergency key just slid out of, and just below that we see kind of another little slot, another notch right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, and then I'm just going to twist like that. So put it in that notch as far as you can, and then twist. And as I do that, it pops the two halves of the shell apart. And in the back half of the shell, we see our battery right here. I'm going to grab my screwdriver and just use it to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side down. And you kind of see in the holder there's this little metal piece here that my thumb's on. You need to tuck that side in first. So I'm going to have it like that, with that side tucked in first, and then snap it the rest of the way down. And now once we have our new battery in there, we can just put the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.